Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my monthly positional options trading strategy, along with our Google Sheet, how we effectively use our Google Sheet for our monthly positional strategy, as well as weekly positional. And one more sheet is about intraday. And also our monthly IV sheet is updated for the month of January. And based on that, we are updating the sheet of Google Sheet and as well as monthly IV sheet. So now, if you are my advanced option strategy students, you can also access the sheet and already updated to the data which is feed. And this month, based on a monthly IV sheet, so we have a lot of stocks having good move. That is good volatility. Okay, so monthly IV that is updated for the month, and I was to avoid a confusion, so I'm removing some of the previous month, but it is already available. I was just added right now, so we are updating the sheet from 2020. Okay, and monthly we are using the sheet for our monthly positional trade, and one kind of update here in this based on our profit factor. So we have some stocks like MRF, JK Cement, Nestle, Bosch, Dalmia Bharat. So doesn't have a liquidity. So why it is showing the huge profit percentage. So don't consider these stocks because it is not a liquid one. So I will show you that. So MRF 1 lakh 2,000, sorry, 29,950 is the closing price. So 1,29,950, maybe 1,30,000 also we can take, or 1,295,000. So if you are taking that strike price, I will show with the chart. I'm using a trading view charts. It will be helping you to find out an option chart in daily time frame. That is why I'm using this platform. So and also a good platform for option trading. So if you want to join an account with me, so the link in the description, you can copy the link and you can open your trading account with stocks under my the referral link, which is available in the description. So MRF 129950 is the strike price. MRF 129950 call option January. So look at this, there is no trade. So you can see 28th December and 29th December is not active the strike price. Maybe 1300, sorry, 13 000 maybe active 1,30,000 call. Here is the 1104 is the closing price. We are mentioning that closing price of that particular option also, but there is not a liquidity, so that's why the premium is more. And if you are comparing the same strike price of opposite option in put side, having the premium of 3,100, maybe the settle price is 185, 3185. So current price here it is showing you 3100. So maybe in MRF 13 000 call option may be active. Okay, you can see there is a active in the premium. It is closed around 3,000. But if after the stock moves, if that option which goes in the money, we will face a lot of premium gap. That is what a liquidity issue. Okay, so that's why we always plan for a trade in liquid stocks only, so that you know well how to filter out a liquid stocks with our course. Okay, so only liquid stocks which you can. So remaining that other which I marked in a orange color in the profit percentage, so simply remove it because of the low liquidity. And if you're comparing based on the probability, so we have a lot of stocks. I think a huge number of stocks which is happening here. So almost 134 that give me the confirmations regarding the expected range for the stock, or the big move in the stocks can be expected. Maybe in future February is a budget and union election, right? Something maybe they are expecting. So that is why the expected move could be very high. So we can expect in this month maybe bigger ranges in the market too. And these are all the things which are identified with our monthly IV sheet based on our advanced option strategy. And now come to our Google sheet. Now we have updated this Google sheet for this month. So this is what a monthly sheet, and the strike price and entry price would be still seeing for till the 25th January, because the expiry is around 25th January. So till the strike price and entry price will never change, and the sheet will be updated for the January contract. It will be same for till end of the January. So from here we are looking for a trade opportunity when the stock reaches either the call side or put side. It's 100%. That should be the breakout level. And if you know our advanced option strategy, you can apply any of our hedging strategies. That is a directional trade strategies. You can use any one of the strategy as per your convenience. But if you are using my Google Sheet without advanced option strategy, no problem. The top listed stocks, you can plan a trade opportunity based on your logic. That means based on your strategy which you are using. So because this Google Sheet is a act as a scanner for stocks and a stock option, you can easily filter out those stocks which is performing well and good by using this sheet. So you can easily find out from the top listed stocks, you can find out a trade opportunity. And after 9:30 only, you can look for a fresh breakout. That is major important, because if the stock open by the gap up or a gap down, there is a chances after the gap up or gap down there is a reversal should be possible. So that to avoid such a kind of scenarios, we should not taking a stock which is open by the gap up and gap down, and the entry price which is triggers in the first 15 minutes before. So that kind of stocks we are simply ignoring from this filter 9:30 after fresh breakout, which you are using a condition for those stock which is breaking after 9:30 the entry level first time, that is called as a fresh breakout. And re-entry you can try if it is a stock having a good volume and quality, so you can use for a re-opportunity or re-entry too. Okay. Okay, so does. So this is what a main thing which I'm following with our Google Sheet, and this is for 1st January to 25th January. So this data would be same and it never changes. Okay, so this is what month of January Google Sheet is updated, and you can track also, and weekly sheet which is also updated. The first week, both monthly and weekly, the enterprise should be the same, and the second week onwards we can change the weekly basis. But if you are looking at a first week, both should be same, monthly and weekly position would be same. So if you are following weekly trade, you should follow the weekly methods. So what we are planning, and monthly trades you can hold it for a positional basis. And intraday, it's not about positional one, it is a daily changing, that is also updated. And any stock which is showing you before triggering that it is 100%, it means it doesn't active or illiquid. Simply you can ignore that. That's as a kind of stance. So you should wait after 9:30 any stock which given you the breakout that level based on Camarilla R4. This level is simply mentioned based on the Camarilla R4. If the stock breaks the level after 9:30, there is a chances for upside should be possible, and you can keep your stop loss R3, S3 for example, because it is advanced level. For tomorrow level we are calculating by today, but if you are watching the charts and it will not be available. SBI card, I'll be going to show you SBI card 760, SBI card 760 call option, and here this is what a today's level, and tomorrow's level should be 30 plus, but the current price is 28.5. 30 plus is our entry point. If it is breaks above 30 plus, it should be a breakout. But most of the time, with the intraday sheet, many stocks would be triggered in the first 15 minutes. But how do we find out? So after 9:30, if a stock which is given you the breakout first time, is called as a fresh breakout. So such a kind of stocks only we need to find out from this list. That will help you to find such a good opportunity in intraday, because in intraday trade we are not going to take a 10-20 stocks. Maybe we are going to find 2 or 3 based on our concept that we are planning here with this Google Sheet. So this is what a thing which we are done for a update for Google Sheet for a monthly positional as well as weekly and intraday also. Intraday is for Monday, and monthly is for till month end of January, and weekly is about the first week of January from 4th to, sorry, I think from 1st of January to we are going to focus up to 5th of January. So that is what thing which you are looking for in the weekly sheet. And monthly sheet is to be first month, January month, and intraday is to be daily. I hope you understood the concepts based on the sheet. And those who are already accessing the sheet, you'll know very well how to use it. So if you want to access the sheet also to get more detail about pricing and other things, you just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video, or you can find out the WhatsApp link, direct WhatsApp link on the description, and you can connect through me and get more details about this sheet. And monthly also we have updated, and as of now Google sheet also be updated for the positional contract. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And if any other questions and all, you just comment on the comment box below. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video, and I'm wishing you all my subscribers wish you advance happy new year 2024. Thank you for watching. And also Google sheet pricing which is going on with the upper price for the 2024. If you wish, you can try to take that also. Thank you for joining this session, and thank you very much, and we'll meet you on next video. Until bye, thank you.